Thank you, Ajarn Chookiat. We love our new playground, football field, basketball court. Everything looks so fresh and colorful. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajarn Amporn and Ajarn Chookiat, for helping us renew a completely ruined building into a completely fresh-looking one, especially for the basketball court, art room, and the music room. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ajarn Amporn and Ajarn Chookiat, for helping to improve our school after the flood. Now, we have plants and flowers all around our school. Our school looks really green now. Thank you for all your support. Thank you, Ajarn Amporn, Ajarn Chookiat, and all the teachers and volunteers helping us clean the school and plant new trees. Thank you so much. It looks even better now.